everyone, welcome to IAS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Department of Financial Services launches Paripurna Medicam Ayush Bima for CGHS beneficiaries. The Paripurna Mediclaim Ayush Bima has been launched by the Department of Financial Services DFS Ministry of Finance today for CGHS beneficiaries. It offers cashless facilities, modern treatments and access to a wide network of hospitals. Eligibility and coverage. The policy is exclusively available to CGHS beneficiaries with a maximum of 6 members per policy. It provides indemnity based in patient hospitalization coverage within India with some insured options of 10 lakh or 20 lakh. Product will have co-payment component allowing beneficiaries to choose between 70 is to 30 or 50 is to 50 co-sharing between insurance company and the subscribers. The key features are room rent is capped at 1% and 2% of sum insured per day for normal room and ICU respectively. A pre-hospitalization coverage for 30 days and post-hospitalization coverage for 60 days is available. Ayush treatments are covered up to 100% of the sum insured for inpatient hospitalization. Modern treatment is covered up to 25% of the sum insured with an optional rider for 100% coverage. Cumulative bonus of 10% for every claim-free year up to a maximum of 100% of sum insured. As compared to regular policy, it will be available to a discount of 28% and 42% for 70 is to 30 and 50 is to 50 premium co-sharing respectively. This optional health insurance plan will be available as a retail product for all CGHS beneficiaries with no GST to ensure maximum affordability designed to complement existing benefits. This enhanced policy will provide seamless experience with greater flexibility and expanded access to quality healthcare services across India, thus leading to additional financial security with ease and confidence for the CGHS beneficiaries. The next topic for the day is NHAI launches pilot for real-time stray cattle safety alert on national highways. As a part of road safety initiatives to commemorate Road Safety Month 2026 and reduce accidents caused by sudden cattle movement on national highways, NHAI is collaboration with telecom service providers has launched a pilot initiative to deliver real-time safety alerts to national highway users approaching stray cattle prone zones. The initiative is aimed at reducing accidents caused by sudden cattle movement on the national highways, particularly during fog, low visibility conditions. A pilot is being implemented on the Jaipur-Agra and Jaipur-Rewari national highway corridors, which have been identified as areas prone to stray cattle movement. Under the pilot project, location-based alerts will be triggered for the national highway commuters, providing advance warnings approximately 10 km before identified high-risk stretches. This will provide commuters with some lead time to take precautionary measures. To ensure effective communication with national highway commuters, during the pilot project safety advisory will be delivered through a flash SMS followed by a voice alert. The flash SMS alert will be issued in Hindi, followed by a voice alert conveying the same safety message to prevent alert fatigue. Repeat alerts will not be issued to the same user within a 30-minute window. The initiative will leverage telecom technology to provide timely and targeted advisories, thereby improving driver awareness and enhancing safety on national highways. Alerts will be generated based on mapped cattle-prone zones identified through historical accident data as well as field-level inputs and will be delivered using the upgraded telecom infrastructure. As part of the initiative, Reliance Jio has upgraded its platform to enable nationwide delivery of these real-time alerts. Based on the outcomes and effectiveness of the pilot, NHAI will evaluate the possibility of scaling up this initiative to other stray cattle prone zones as part of its ongoing efforts to improve road safety and enhance user experience on national highways across the country. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.